students, myself Dr. Bharti Patil. We have started our chapter related to number systems and logic gates, and we have covered the points related to number systems already, and we have started the logic gates. In our previous lectures, we have finished the basic logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, and also we have started looking into the universal logic gates, and there are two universal logic gates, and these are derived from the basic logic gates AND, OR and NOT, and these operations are very much important because any operation that can be done with the help of basic logic gates can easily done with the universal logic gates, and we have seen that there are two universal logic gates, and these are NAND gate and NOR gate. NAND gate and NOR gate. During our last lecture, we have seen one of the universal logic gate as NAND gate. It is the addition of a AND gate followed by a NOT gate. In today's lecture, we are going to finish our last universal gate, that is NOR gate. As I have told you that NAND gate is nothing but AND gate followed by a NOT gate. Like that, NOR gate is nothing but a OR gate followed by a NOT gate. It means that it is nothing but a NOT OR gate. It is nothing but a NOT OR gate. While looking into the OR gate, we have seen that suppose there are two inputs A and B, then they are represented with the OR gate as A and B, and their output is given by the plus sign. That is, we have to add A plus B. We have to add both the inputs. Now here not OR gate. Here this part is OR gate and not OR gate. So I have to add here a NOT gate. Here I have added a NOT gate. So NOT gate I have added. So what is the function of NOT gate? NOT gate's function is to invert the input. So its input is y is equal to a plus b. So it will invert it and it will give output as y is equal to a plus b, complement of a plus b. That will be the output of this NOT gate, and this is nothing but the output of NOR gate. This is going to give me a output of NOR gate. So here we have seen what is NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but OR gate followed by a NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but OR, not OR gate. It is also called as not OR gate. Here I have represented OR gate, and its output is given by y is equal to a plus b. I have added a NOT gate and it is going to give me a y is equal to a plus b complement, or complement of a plus b. Now how to represent the NOR gate symbol? It is similar to OR gate. It is similar to OR gate, only as a representation of a NOT gate I have to put here a hollow circle. So here is A, here is B, and now here y is equal to, what is y is equal to? A plus B, complement of A plus B. This is nothing but the representation of NOR gate. Addition of both inputs and complement of it. So now we will have a truth table. In order to understand the truth table of NOR gate, one should have in its mind the truth table for OR gate. So how to draw a truth table for NOR gate? You will require inputs and outputs, respective outputs. Inputs we are taking as A and B, and outputs are nothing but the Y is equal to OR gate means addition of both inputs, and you have to make it complement because we are adding a NOT gate followed by the which operation? OR operation. So here I have taken A value as 0011 and B value as 0101. It means that initially I am going to give here A as 0, B as 0. After that A as 0, B as 1, then A as 1, B as 0, then both the 1 1. So what will be my output in such situations? So in order to understand this output, one should have A plus B value in mind. So one should have the value of OR gate in mind. So this is therefore Y is equal to A plus B. We know that OR operation is such that it will add the values of both the inputs. So here 0 plus 0 going to give me a 0, 0 plus 1 going to give me a 1, 1 plus 0 going to give me a 1, then 1 plus 1 going to give me a logic high state, that is logic 1 state. So this is not related to our actual NOR gate, but one should have this idea in mind. Now we will generate the complement of A plus B. Here A plus B we have obtained. Now we have to take complement, means we have to invert the value. So 0 is here, so it will become 1. 1 is there, so inverted value is 0. 1 is there, inversion of 1 is 0. 1 is there, inversion of 1 is 0. So here we have obtained the outputs of NOR gate by having in mind the output of OR gate. And now I will rub this. So you will have a complete picture how we have generated the truth table for NOR gate. So what one can conclude from this truth table? So conclusion from this truth table is that output of NOR gate is 0 when both the inputs are at logic low. Conclusion is that I will write here conclusion. Output of NOR gate will be at logic 1 or logic high. Logic 1 means logic high. Logic high when both or all the inputs are at logic 0 or low. This is the conclusion we have drawn from this truth table related to NOR gate. So students, in our today's lecture we have seen what are the universal logic gates. So in today's lecture we have covered the points related to NOR gate. That is, NOR gate is nothing but OR, and it is followed by the NOT operation. So here I have drawn a OR operation, and here I have added a NOT in it. So I have inverted the input of output of OR operation by a NOT operation, and this output is nothing but the output of NOR. Here I have written no? Output of NOR gate. This is nothing but the representation of output of NOR gate. So symbol of NOR gate is similar to OR gate, but as a inverted input or inversion, we have to add here a circle, and this is nothing but the complement of A plus B. The input table is represented here. It will give us output as complement of A plus B, and the conclusion from truth table is that output of NOR gate will be at logic 1 or logic high when both or all the inputs are at logic 0 or low. Thank you.